Chapter 2. The Origins of Wine. The Vine. It is in Asia Minor and the Middle East where we find evidence of the first vineyards planted by man. The fossils of grape seeds of the genus Vitis vinifera, the only kind of wine that produces grapes suitable for winemaking, dated to the 3rd millennium BC, were found in the Mediterranean basin. The first place where the existence of wine is documented in writing is in the Egypt of the pharaohs along the Nile. Since the 1st millennium BC, wines are known to have been produced in the Greek islands, and later the cultivation of the vine spread to mainland Greece, and then it finally spread through the Mediterranean basin with the conquests of the Roman Empire. Varieties of the vinifera species. There are 6,800 species of vinifera, although only a small proportion are used for winemaking. The rest of the species are not apt for winemaking, but nonetheless play an important role. Some of these species are used as rootstocks or scions to prevent the roots being attacked by Phylloxera vastatrix, the famous blight that decimated European vineyards in the 19th century. As we have already mentioned, only 100 varieties are used to produce the most outstanding wines in the world. Examples of these include Cabernet Sauvignon, Tempranillo, Grenache, Syrah, Merlot, Xarel·lo, Macabeo, Parellada, Albarino, and Carignan. It is important to emphasize that all the vines for wine producing throughout the world comprise two parts, the scion or rootstock and the vine. Scion or rootstock. Usually they are stumps of the Bellandieri, Riparia, rupestris species, or hybrids of those. They are resistant to Phylloxera. This is the part of the plant that is closest to the ground, and their roots are resistant to the Phylloxera disease. The vine. This is the plant that produces grapes for wine producing, and it is grafted onto the scion and cannot go directly on the ground, because it may be susceptible to a Phylloxera attack. Grape morphology. If we make a vertical dissection of the grape berry from the inside out, we will find the following: seeds with a high concentration of tannins, that the grape berry is mainly formed by water and sugar, skin, where we can find tannins, aroma molecules and color molecules, bloom, or the waxy layer, where the yeasts that cause fermentation are attached.